Hello everyone, we are going to see about ng-click directive. The ng-click directive in AngularJS is used to attach a click event handler to HTML element. It allows you to execute a function or evaluate an expression when the specified element is clicked by the user. Key concept: event handling. ng-click provides a convenient way to handle click events on HTML elements without the need for inline JavaScript event handlers. Interactivity. To user clicks, the ng-clicks enables interactive features in your application such as toggling visibility, submitting form, navigating to different views, etc. Scope interaction. The function or expression specified in ng-click can interact with the scope of AngularJS controller, allowing you to modify data, trigger actions, or update the view. Let us consider an example where we have a button that increments a counter value stored in the controller's scope when clicked. Now I am going to show you the code. For that I have created a normal HTML template. Inside that I am going to create a div ng app equal to next I am going to create a button click me, and inside the button I want to give ng-click increment counter function. Next I am going to create the p tag for displaying the counter value. Next I am going to create a script tag. First I am going to define the AngularJS module. Next I am going to create a controller. And I am going to initialize the counter value scope dot counter equal to 0, and I am going to give a function to increment the counter scope dot increment counter equal to function scope dot counter plus. If I save this, if I run this code, see it was increasing on click. If I click once, it was increment 1, another time 2. Like this, ng-click will work. We defined an AngularJS module called myApp and a controller myCTRL. Inside the controller, we initialize a counter variable and a counter to 0, which represents the initial value of the counter. We use the ngClick directive to attach the increment counter function to a button element. When the button is clicked, this function is executed when the increment which increments the value of the counter variable. End of the value of the counter variable is displayed in a paragraph element using AngularJS data binding counter. When you run the code in a browser, you will see a button labeled click me. Each time you click the button, the counter value will increment, demonstrating the usage of ngClick directive to handle click events in AngularJS applications. Thank you.